Ang pasado, Prime Minister Menno Bishita a oficina de Fundo Monetário Internacional em Washington, arobotou uma colaboração com a IMF para dar uma recomendação econômica regular depois de observar o desenvolvimento do setor. O diretor executivo para Holanda na IMF indica que a discussão general demonstra que a Aruba está atendendo de forma diligente com a preocupação da IMF.
So what we do at the International Monetary Fund, where the Kingdom of the Netherlands is a member, but Aruba has, let's say, a special arrangement with the fund, that the fund will check its economy, Aruban's economy, once every year, and write a report about it once every 2 years to see what are the things that they maybe can do better. Let's say the economic advice from the International Monetary Fund to the government of Aruba. Today we talked a bit about the economic prospects of the island and Aruba. So we talked about the tourism, we talked about some investment plans that the government is still considering. Say we didn't go in all the figures and details. It was more like a general discussion that we had, but I was happy to note that some of the concerns that the IMF had previously, for example, about the government deficit, were now looking better than before. So I was happy to note that there are still a lot of initiatives going on, and this government seemed to be very willing to bring this initiative forward. We are from the IMF, so we always have some, let's say, advices, or there are issues where we think the island can do even better. But yes, we are happy to see that on some of the issues, on the pension issues, on the issues for healthcare, and also on the government deficit and finances, it looked better than a couple of years before.